Hi guys, welcome to the channel again, and for newcomers, welcome to Sassy Spiritual Junkie. So today reading is about what is the guidance for you for your current situation, whatever is the situation, and this is in next 10 days, and it is a timeless reading, so whenever you watch it will apply to you. So this will read whenever you need this message, okay? And remember, it's a general reading, so all the messages will not resonate. You can just watch the video to understand if it, like, what to extract from this, okay? So first I will directly check from like universal cards, like what universe wants to tell to you. So first message is in the relationship aspect, or it could be like, also, yes, it is for relationship. So some of you are going to be in a very romantic connection where you will share very passionate moments, and there will be lot of fun, and you will enjoy the company. And for people who are not into any romantic connection, this message feels that in general you're going to spend some time where you will feel passionate towards your goals in life, and you will be more in action mode and more, romancing your own personal life. It's not always about that a couple has to romance. We as individual also should be, romantic in our life with our life, our surroundings, what we do, like that, so this is like your relationship with yourself is enhancing, okay? You are understanding your journey. And for people who are in connection, or they're going to explore something deep about their partner in these 10 days, there could be like, I feel it's more about enjoying each other, okay? Then we have a card of, okay, so life is a series of constantly shifting cycles. When we resist change, we resist the natural flow of life and create unnecessary stress. Go with the flow, you will be surprised where it leads. So so apart from all this going on, I see it's a message that, if you have been struggling with something, obviously this reading is about if you're feeling stuck, what you should do and what is coming for you, right? So in next coming 10 days, I feel that you are realizing that, that how important it is to go with the flow, and rather than stuck on the energy that is ruining your present, okay? This is what you're realizing. Deep in your heart, you already know the answer. Do what feels right. So do what feels right, which is coming from the love space, not ego, not fear, not anger. When you have calmed down all those negative emotions, and when you are not overwhelmed, and not when you're too excited or too happy, so you just when calm down, you know exactly where life is taking you, and what you have to where you have to work, and what you have to do, you know this. So in this coming 10 days, try to give yourself that time, okay? And for people who are in relationship, there is a message that, yes, enjoy the space, enjoy the closeness, but in this process, if you are clinging on that person, or if your partner is clinging too much, you have to talk about it, that how much healthy space is also important in the relationship, or even in general. If in your life, in any situation or with any relationship, you are clinging, you think that maybe you're getting too dependent, and now you are being hurt because of being dependent, and you thought this person was so close, then it's a reminder here. See, you don't have to hate them or have grudges about them. It's exactly the question to yourself, that what this life is teaching you, that space is important, and dependency is not good, clinginess is not good in any way. Again, there is a message. If you could do anything, what it would be? The answer dwells in your heart, not in your mind. So mind will always give you something which is like to be in comfort zone, to blame others, or to make yourself victim and play that victim card. No, You have to let your heart let be the gateway to your soul. So it's like, listen to your heart without judging yourself, even sometimes when it feels like, yes, I am the culprit of this situation, I am doing wrong, I have to change here, I have to make myself better person, I have to be more in harmony. So when you listen to your heart, then these kind of answers come. And when you keep thinking the logical mind and applying all these tactics and all, then it will give you some different kind of answer, which will be like a loop. And it's very easy to be in negative emotion and blame outer circumstances and be happy. In fact, you don't stay happy. It's like just ego is satisfied. I hope you're understanding my message. So this is what this 10 days is teaching you. Okay, now we will get to what is coming for you in the tarot cards. And also I have one more message from this deck, that imagine yourself and your beloved surrounded by light. Feel your relationship being healed this very moment. So some kind of self-work, meditation, healing is required for your stuck zone. And this is not only relation, like healing technique, that imagine yourself and your beloved surrounded by light and you're healing this very moment, is only about couples. It's like with any relationship you want to heal, with your friends, with your family members, even with yourself. You can just close your eyes and then breathe in, breathe out for 5 minutes or just 5 times, like deep breaths. And what you have to do is just stay calm and let whatever is coming, let it come, let it go. Don't attach to even whatever you are thinking, even the worst to worst scenarios. If it's coming, just let it go. Let it go means let it come, and don't judge yourself that, hey, I am trying to meditate, but this is what is this. No, let it be, let it come. You come back to your again this focus, to drive your take your focus to imagine that a golden light is entering from some divine space, and you are at a blank space, and simultaneously you are aware that you are sitting in your room or whatever. Like your spine should be erect, and imagine that golden light is entering your whole body from your crown to your feet, and it's like you're filled with divine light, and it's clearing all the junk, and it's going in the root of the mother, like in the center of the mother earth, where it's transmuted to love and light, and it's all mother earth is taking all that thing which is stuck, and it's converted into love and light. It's like you are not giving bad energy to earth as well. You are praying that it's converting into love and light, and no grudges, nothing. And if you have to do it with your person, like for any like together, like imagine you are doing with for you and your husband, you or your mother, then imagine she is sitting in front of you, and this is happening with both of you, and imagine you both are holding hands together. Okay, this you can do, and this will help you. Okay, basically in any relationship is not just like that. It is for some purpose, to find that missing part in you, to learn something, to give something to people, right? So yeah. Now let's get to the main reading. So what is coming up for you in 10 days as whole? Okay, yes, see, we have the Temperance card and we have the Chariot. So definitely there is a movement in balancing yourself, focusing more internally and working on yourself, or with in your relationship with anyone. Okay, and you are really being guided by divine, that don't worry, you are being protected, or you just start doing things for yourself. We will help you, like your divine guides are helping you, but you have to do it. They are there to protect you, but you have to do it, right? So ground yourself, do some kind of healing techniques. The one I told you is very simple, you can do it. Okay, so today you're watching, and I told the energy of 10 days, right? So when you're watching, count that day till 7. If you can do that healing things for 7 days at least, and 7 day itself, I think there is a change coming off for you from your present situation to to some movement in that, whatever is that situation. Okay, let's see more. I think recently you cried. Yeah, recently you cried, you contemplated about it, and you got some answers as well. If not yet, this is going to happen in this coming 10 days, that you are gonna cry, like be in your emotions, you will face your emotions, you will question many things, and then you will stand up like confident, you will be back in your power, I see. And this could be because maybe someone will break your heart. And when I say break your heart, it's not always about there is ending of relationship. It's like something you will not like, or something happened already which you did not like, and now things are balancing up for you. Okay, so definitely a healing phase is this 10 days is like, you know, healing from those things. And for some of you, I really feel that in this 10 days you are going to feel a heartbreak because of something, and then you will be contemplating and fighting on your own emotions and then balancing. Yeah, okay, yes, there is a lot of juggling happening right now, confusions, this kind of energy. But see, this is for sure that yes, you are going deep in your emotions, and you're feeling it, and you're feeling bad about it. This is happening already, or in 10 days these all things I mentioned is happening with you. Okay, but see, we have the moon, we have justice, then we have 9 of pentacles. Okay, and then we have star as well. So yes, okay, you are processing your emotions, you are feeling this fear, sadness, and in depth you are feeling it, but you are coming with the perspective to understand where you have to maintain the boundaries, what exactly you have to do in this situation, but being confident, not being in fear, being in your power, not in ego. Okay, and you are watching it like, you know, that I know why this character is playing this character, and what they are doing, why they are doing, what is their mentality, and you're understanding this, and then you're taking so much power within yourself that you're not giving power to outer situation, outer people, that they can hurt you. This is what is going on in this 10 days, and you're learning it strongly. Okay, and some kind of gain I'm seeing you're getting. Sudden travel plan can happen, sudden gain, sudden stuck money can come, sudden some opportunity, sudden some good news, like, you know, suddenly this is going to happen in 10 days, which will bring of course a smile and happiness and or whatnot. These all things bring happiness to our faces, right? So sudden traveling to religious place can happen, or you will feel like to, yes, I have to frequently go to my like temples or church or whatever, wherever is your faith. Okay, and okay, you should include more yellow colors in your life, like it everything, food items. Add, if you're not adding turmeric, add turmeric. Like besan, you know, how to say, which flower it is called in English, I don't know, you just Google it, I just forgot. Gram flour, yes. And bananas, if it suits you. Wear yellow color clothes, include more yellow in your life. Okay, yellow flowers are surrounding you, yellow bed sheet, something. Okay, include more yellow colors. Especially I'm talking about these 10 days to bring that shift, but include yellow color in general in your life. In coming 10 days, yes, you are processing a lot of emotions, so you might go through a feeling of, you know, back and forth, fighting your own emotions. Like sometimes you're healing from it and completely being very mature about it and not reacting, not feeling bad, and then suddenly you are stuck with that particular emotion. Yeah, no problem. Like sometimes you're having the answer and sometimes you're like, I need the answer, where to go, whom to talk, like this. Anyway, your answers is coming to yourself because you are doing the work, and I feel this is coming to you automatically, effortlessly, maybe from your friend, by your own self. Like you're not going to be very chasing, desperate about it in a way that you will disturb someone. It will be like, it will be aligned from wherever the answer has to come, and it will be very effortless, and it will be like the sudden change in yourself with this, and you will take charge of things. There is okay, wow. So if it's relationship, career, business, whatever, personal, we have beautiful cards. We have the World and Ace of Cups, and then we have King of Pentacles. So understand it one by one. So in the terms of relationship, okay, there were some fluctuation, there were some hindrance, and now you are also you know, mending those, like melting with those egos, you're melting it, and you are understanding, like, you know, by polishing all those things and understanding that, you know, you need to be more loving towards the situation, and your person is also going to be patient about it and offer that like you both will be like in a zone where you are coming to understand each other, and this is going to help to solidify this connection into stronger and deeper bond. Okay, for some of you, I see this person, it will be completely removed from your life, completely, like the end of it. Okay, that is also good for you in a way, because sometimes it's painful right now, but it's good in a longer run. You will understand when you will look backward that yes, this was needed, where I was really stuck. And this could be you also, you know, talking with someone that we should end this, it's not required anymore. And in your career, I see you are maybe changing the place or roles, or you're going to change the city, country. Some like a very solid offer is coming for you, or solid opportunity is coming for you, where money wise it will be very good. You are growing in terms of money. Okay, and so now you can apply it, you know, there is a change coming. So maybe it's like either completely changing the profile and coming out of some place, leaving the place and going to new place with the new offer, or it's like in the same place you are going to talk about it and you will be rewarded, awarded, and this will change the your career life, like because you will be having more work or good work with where you will be happy, but little bit responsibility, but good money. Okay, okay, yes, your wish is going to be manifested. Now we have 9 of Cups and we have King of Cups. This is like, you know, and this is Magician is a card of manifestation. Yes, you are manifesting this and it's coming to you, dearies. Okay, there is little bit struggle I see, but the good news is this is not going to be permanent. This is bringing something good. Okay, so even if you see, if for some of you who are going through deep heartbreak, or it is going to happen in 10 days, it is leading to more safer place to you, okay, more better place, like it is going to be more happier place than you wherever you are right now. And for people who are already in a good relationship and you had some problem, it's going to be more deeper and more beautiful. So we have, what do you need to release? So as I said, maybe something will be released completely, no on and off, okay, no coming going, this kind of things. Or it's like, it's a question to yourself. You will contemplate in this 10 days that what do I need to release. So it will happen anyway, okay. Right now you must be thinking that nothing will happen. I will be in this complete stuck zone always. This is what is my life, this and that. But see, expect powerful change. In this 10 days, it's talking about expect powerful change, okay. Expect powerful change. Conclusions are within reach. Conclusions are within reach. And it's talking about full moon, and full moon is nearby, okay. You are very close to achieving your goal, yes, and your emotions are running high, that too, yes. But good part is you're very close to achieving your goal. And meditate and contemplate. That's what I already said to you. The end of a tough cycle approaches, okay. A time for healing. Whatever you're going through, it's a healing. But again, the energy is gaining momentum. And last card here is be bold and make the first move. So you have to take that move. You will take the move, and I see somewhere your luck is going to favor you with this, okay. So this was your reading. Don't let your ego come in between this whole situation, okay. And don't operate with fear, anger and ego in any way. And for personal reading, you can connect on Instagram, or you can just comment below that you need a reading, and I will give you my email ID. Though everything is in the description, you can check. If this resonated, please comment down, subscribe my channel, share it with people who may need this, and support my channel. That's all I want to say. And see you in the next reading. Take care. Bye.